The Story of the People of the Cave, Introduction. In the name of Allah, the most gracious, the most merciful, today we bring you the inspiring story of the people of the cave, also known as Ashab al-Kahf. This story, mentioned in detail in Surah al-Kahf, is a remarkable tale of faith, trust in Allah, and the miracles of His power. Let us dive into this extraordinary story in detail. Background of the story. The story is set in a time when a tyrannical king ruled over the land. He forced his people to worship idols, and anyone who refused faced severe punishment. Amidst this oppression, there were a few young men who believed in Allah and worshipped Him alone. Their hearts were illuminated by the light of faith, and they decided to stand firm on their belief, no matter what. Confrontation with the king. When the king discovered their faith, he summoned them to his court. The king said, "You must either worship my idols or prepare to face death." But the young men courageously replied, "Our Lord is the one and only Allah, the creator of the heavens and the earth. We will never worship anyone besides Him." Their unwavering faith infuriated the king, and he threatened them with severe consequences. Yet they remained steadfast in their belief. Turning to Allah and finding refuge in the cave. Realizing that the king would not spare them, the young men turned to Allah for guidance and decided to leave their city. They journeyed to a mountain where they found a cave. As they entered the cave, they prayed, "Our Lord, grant us mercy from yourself and guide us in our matter to the right path." Surah al-Kahf, Ayah 10. 309 years in the cave. Allah accepted their prayer and cast a deep sleep over them. The Quran describes their state. You would have thought they were awake, though they were asleep. Surah al-Kahf, Ayah 18. Allah arranged for their protection in miraculous ways. The cave was situated so that sunlight never directly entered, and their bodies remained untouched by time. Their loyal dog lay at the entrance of the cave with its paws stretched out, guarding them. Awakening after centuries. After 309 years, Allah awakened them. Upon waking, they asked each other, "How long have we slept?" Some said, "A day or part of a day." They decided to send one of them to the city to buy food. The surprise in the marketplace. When one of them went to the marketplace, he noticed everything had changed. The people, the language, and the way of life were all different. When he offered his ancient coins to buy food, people were astonished. These coins were from an era long gone. News of this miraculous event spread throughout the city. The people of the town gathered to meet the young men and learned about their extraordinary story. This event strengthened their belief in Allah's power. Lessons from the story. The story of Ashab al-Kahf offers several important lessons. 1. Faith and trust in Allah are the greatest sources of strength. 2. Allah protects His believers in ways beyond human comprehension. 3. Allah's power transcends time, reminding us that He is in control of everything. 4. Patience and steadfastness during trials lead to ultimate success. Conclusion. This was the story of the people of the cave, a tale of faith, courage, and reliance on Allah. If you found this video inspiring, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more stories and Islamic insights. May Allah guide us all.